All right guys, so right now I'm standing outside of a 2020 Honda Accord EXL. I'm gonna walk around and show you all the features and functions. So if you guys like this video, it was helpful, feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Now as usual, is walk up here to the Roni Sticker. You guys are always welcome to pause and explore on your own, or just continue watching, we'll explore together. Now up on the top right hand corner, talks about your fuel economy. You got 30 for the city, 38 for the highway with a combined of 33. Down on the right hand corner, it talks about your safety ratings, 5 stars all the way across. Who doesn't love 5 out of 5? Where the vehicle's made at, it's a US made product. The price point, and then the long list of features. All right, as we sneak here towards the front of the vehicle, it comes standard with 2 key fobs. Remote start comes standard. To use that, you simply hit lock twice, 1, 2. Click and hold this button down here for a few seconds. You see the lights flash. It's going to automatically start right up. It's going to heat and cool the car to 72 degrees, runs in 10-minute intervals, and the doors will remain locked. Now, as we sneak here towards the front of the vehicle, all of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking. You're going to have LED daytime running lights, and you got your fog lights, and then obviously headlights, of course. You get this nice chrome nose right there in the finish on the top. You have a 1.5 4-cylinder turbo is going to be in there with a CVT transmission. Now as we sneak here along the side, you're going to have those awesome 17-inch alloyed rims. A little bit of chrome action right below the doors. It kind of goes all the way to the back. Body colored heated side mirrors with your turning indicators out here on the outside of the mirror. You're going to have those body colored handles and a little bit of chrome action on the top of the windows. You're also going to have smart entry of the vehicle. So let's say everything's locked up as it is. You can walk up to the car with your key fob in your purse, your jacket, wherever you're going to keep it at. Put your hand on the handle, unlocks it there for you. And you can also lock it up as you leave the car with the key fob. Put your thumb right here on the ridges and locks everything from that point. Now you can also use the walk-away auto lock feature. Just simply walk away with that key fob and it'll automatically lock the car door for you. And you cannot accidentally lock your keys in the car. Those days are over. Just simply, oops, drop it, hit the lock button. Check that out, automatically unlocks. We're gonna have a capless gas tank. Pretty much push the door. When the car is unlocked, there it is. No longer $2 cap to argue, debate with. It's a simple sliding and go. Lock her up. No one can access your gas. All right, we'll swing back here. You got a little bit of chrome down there on the rear bumper. Dual exhaust. Tucked right under there. You have a multi-angle rear camera. You're gonna have a power trunk. Let's hit the button, it's gonna pop right open for you. You have all that legendary trunk space down there for the Honda Accord. You have a nice little padding insulation here, just makes it more of a quieter ride for the people in the rear seat. Spare tire, all that's gonna be right underneath. It's gonna be a 60-40 split, so pull that and pull that, so you can choose how you wanna do it. Pretty much those seats will come right down if you need the space. Cool thing is, I left it in my jacket, gym bag, purse. I just dropped it in there. You cannot lock your keys in the trunk. Not going to happen today. You're also going to have a little release for your trunk button right here. Moonroof comes standard. All right, as we open this up, you got a nice little trim piece coming across. You guys already know about power windows. That's pretty much straightforward. You got some additional cubby space there. Nice leather seats. Bring this down, you got additional armrests and then cup holders. Adjustable air vents, some additional pocket space here for some storage. Then carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. All right, before we go up front, you're also gonna have blind spot information system. All right, so when there's a car in your blind spot, that just lights up. Now, only time it talks back to you is when you have your turning indicator on while someone's in your blind spot, then it will beep at you. All right. Here, once again, you guys already know about power windows, power locks, all that stuff's gonna be right here. You got your mirror selectors and adjusters from that point. It's a D-pad. You have 2-seat memory. So when you're walking with key fob 1 or key fob 2, it's gonna set your driver's seat and then your side mirrors to those settings, what you may have it set at. You're gonna have power seats here. So you got your forward, you got your back, raise and lower, then you got a little bit of tilt action on the front half here when you raise the front half, and you got your recline, then you got your lumbar right down here. Once again, all of that, you can save all those settings within your 2-seat memory, including your side mirrors. You got your trunk release down below, some additional storage space within the door. Hood release is going to be right over here. Let's jump right in and start her up. It's going to be a push button start, so make sure you bring the key fob with you in the car. Put your foot down on the brake and hit the start button and watch everything turn on. It's going to be a telescope steering wheel, so your release is going to be right over here on the side. It goes up, down, in and out. So go ahead and adjust as you see fit. Now over here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you get your trip. So pretty much you can just hit that. You can see trip A, trip B. You can click and hold that to reset it. Little dialer on the side is going to be for the brightness. You have your vehicle stability assist. Then you have your quick reference for some of your Honda sensing features. As you select that, you can see right up here. You can change that and select those from this little dial here. So I'm going to push that in. I'm going to turn the road departure on. If you ever want to shut off your blind spot information or your forward collision magnetic braking, it's all going to be within this button to access that, and you can select everything by going up and down and pushing that button in. So a matter of a click of a button. All right, so we got auto headlights. You got your wipers and everything on the other side. So as you pull down, the more you pull down, the faster those go. You can have hands-free here for your phone. So incoming calls, sweet, I'm going to answer it. I'm going to hang up, decline. I also have voice commands. You can click that and say, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Answer all of your guys' questions. It's that easy. Let's kind of go see what's going on the home menu here. I will slowly kind of scroll through this once I get to the top so you guys can take a quick look. If you guys have any questions about what you're seeing here, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids. I'd love to answer any questions you guys may have. All right, perfect. And also, you're going to have your volume control, all that for your music on this side. Now, as we get over here on the right-hand side, you have all your Honda sensing features, all right? So you got your main button. Your main button's to turn on and off. The availability of your Honda sensing, it's available. You can tell because of the green writing is the ACCs, your adaptive cruise control. Then also you have your lane keep assist system. At the main button, as you can tell, it goes away. Now it's available. Now for your lane keep assist, it's going to be this button right here. As you select that, you can see hollowed out dotted lines. It just means it's not going the proper speed and it's not finding lines on the road. You have to go between 45 and 90 miles an hour to use this system. So, you know, you're highway driving, all right? So once again, and once it finds lines on the road, it's gonna be filled in white dotted lines, give you a visual confirmation, it's on, it's working. Now, once you go out of your lane a little bit, it's gonna beep. You can turn that beep on or off, and it also brings you back and recenters you, all right? It's a little nudge. Now we have your cruise control. Simply hit set. You can increase and decrease your speed from that point. Then you have your adapted part. As I'm selecting this button right down here, you can see how those lines up there change. We're just setting the distance between us and the car in front of you. More lines means further, less lines means closer, of course. Now, once it detects a car in front of you, it'll give you a little visual. A little white car like this shows above those lines. Hey, I found a car. You can have a setting for a beep to come on or off as well. So let's say we're going 35, a car in front of us is going 30. Since there's a car in that distance that we have it set at, it will beep, slow us down to match our speed with their speed to maintain that distance. All right, now let's kind of swing over here on this side, guys. You got this nice touch screen going on over here. You can pair up multiple phones. You got a little bit of trip. computer going on. You can see what your average fuel is going compared to the previous time you'd reset it, stuff like that. Of course, music options. You can see what kind of going on. You got FM, AM, you got Sirius, XM, your satellite radio. You get 3 months of that. After that, you have to contact them to continue that. USB 1 and USB 2. So you don't have a CD player, but you can download your CDs onto a flash drive or any other music onto a flash drive, and it's a simple plug and play, and it plays like a CD player. The great thing about it is you have more options and a compact thing, so you're not carrying multiple CDs around. A bit of Bluetooth, and then your smartphone connection. You can do a little bit of, you got a little bit of settings going on here. If I can just hit the button straight on, there we go. So pretty much you can change all of your vehicle settings, when the door is unlocked, stuff like that. Honda sensing, a lot of good stuff's in there. You have text messages if your phone is connected. Alright, so we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with this. So if you have an Apple phone, it's a simple plug and play. You get your phone charger, plug your phone into it, then plug your phone charger into this USB port here. Then Apple CarPlay would display right up there, which allows you to use your Apple Maps and other compatible apps and all that stuff right up there while charging your device. Now, the same thing with Android phones. You just have to download Android Auto first and allow all the permissions. Then it's a plug and play from that process. All right, so you got a little bit of home menu, back button. You got a little brightness here. You can change your brightness if that kind of bugs you for your day or nighttime driving. Volume control, all that good stuff. All right, so as we come down a little bit, you got heated seats, 3-tier heated seats, low, medium, high for the front seats. Climate control, you got your fan speed on and off. You got your temperatures, you have dual climate. We're gonna just put that all in control. You got your rear defroster with heated side mirrors, your front defroster, then your different modes with this button right here. So we look down here, once again you have a USB for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just for charging your devices, then a 12-volt plug-in, and then just a nice deep tray to put your phone or any other objects you may see fit. Lid closes right up, so it's out of sight, out of mind. You have a couple different drives. As you guys notice, you know about drive, then you have a sport drive, then a low gear drive. When you put it in reverse, your multi-angle camera automatically pops right up. It has 3 different modes. These little pictures down here are going to be buttons, and they show you how the camera acts. So like this one's a nice 180 view. You can catch more of your blind spot coming by. The right behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper. Now, the cool thing about this is I turn my wheels. That changes colors to let you know you're not in line, and also guides you. Excuse me. Now we're also going to have your cross traffic monitoring system right here. It's going to be an on and off button there. So it's on, it's off. What that does is say a car is coming from the side, you know, and then it's going to beep and point out what direction it's coming from too as well. All right. So that's going to be a multi-angle camera. You have an Econ button down below. Econ is going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. It's going to change your electrical power, AC power, acceleration, stuff like that to give you better fuel economy. When you smack that button, you get this nice little green leaf to let you know it's on, then it's off. So let's say if I have my AC all the way up, as you can hopefully can hear it. Now if I shut it off, you can hear and feel the difference of that cold air, how fast it is coming out. Now you're also going to have an electrical parking brake, then a hold brake from that point. Some additional cup holders over here. Got a fixed armrest. Pull that right up. Nice little tray you can take out to clean. You have another USB port and then a 12-volt plug-in. Glove box is pretty deep, so challenge accepted. Go ahead and fill it up. Nice little wood trim along the doors. Leather. Kind of all nice around. You have an auto-dimming side mirror. Oh, sorry, not side mirror, rear mirror, of course. Excuse me. Then you also have a garage door opener units right over here. Place for the sunglasses. You have a one-touch power moonroof. Opens, close, all that good stuff. Also tilt. To get it to tilt, you simply just push that button right in. As you can see, it tilts right there. Just for your dome lights, turn them on or off. So yeah, this is pretty much the 2020 Honda Accord EXL. Take one last look here on the outside. Once again, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda, or drop a comment down below. If you guys also own an Accord, you'd like to share your experience, I'd love to hear about you guys' experience. All right, this is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways, guys. Thank you again for your support and watching.